Welcome. Number 5, Feature 1. This fishing rod is made from carbon fiber, strong and durable. 2. With the features of good elasticity and strong heavy capacity. 3. Adjustable length fishing rod for situations where full-size fishing gear is inconvenient. 4. Portable closed length design for conveniently carrying around. 5. Best suitable for fishing from the shore, reefs, and rocks on trips and vacations. 6. Comes with a pad for comfortable holding. 7. An ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts or collectors. Number 4. Feature high strength ABS snake type reel seat. Lightweight and perfectly balanced. Made of high density Japanese 24-ton composite for great power and sensitivity. Stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts for use with braided or mono fishing line. 4 sections portable design, easily fits in car trunk, boat or backpack, package. 1 PC fishing rod. 1 PC fishing reel. We also have many other fishing tackle and outdoor sports in our shop. Just visit store in the store information. Thanks. Number 3. The fish description: color, red, blue. Material, carbon fiber plus alloy. Suit for ice fishing, lure fishing. Sections: 6. Closed length, approximately 36 cm. Extended length, approximately 140 cm. Weight, approximately 315 grams. The spin and towed reel description: color, red, blue. Ball bearings, 3. Gear ratio: 3.1 to 1 and 5.2 to 1. Item weight, 150 grams 165 grams. Line capacity M/M 0.18/245, 0.25/125. Number 2. Fishing, ice fishing main parts, rod plus reel length, 1.8 milliliters. Position, reservoir, pond, river, ocean, beach fishing. Fishing reel rod. Portable fishing storage bag. Spinning reel gear, pull set line, lure. Please video description product link. Number 1. Fishing material, fiberglass and fibercarbon. Length, 1.0, 1.6, 1.8 meters. Fishing reel, type, spinning reel. Material, aluminum alloy and ABS. Color, blue. Model, AK200. Gear ratio, 5.2 to 1. Line capacity (M) 0.18,240, 0.20,195, 0.25, 125. Weight, 175 grams, 6 ounces.